Hi, my name is Spencer Scala. I'm one of the customer service specialists here at MARS of Billings, and today we're going to be installing Exoshield, a windshield protection film on this TRX. Exoshield is an external windshield protection film that we install on the outside of the windshield to help protect against rock chipping in the Rocky Montana roads. If you want to check out any information on Exoshield or have any questions about it, give us a call at the shop or visit our website at marsofbillings.com.